and here comes my dad. Whoa, that's super fast and exciting. Yay! And guess what? It falls while coming down. It's so funny to watch. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to water park because it's so hot in Dehradun already. And the name of the water park is Fun and Water. Oh, a pigeon. Wow, this area is very beautiful. So many beautiful flowers. Oh, what is that reading there? Let me read it. I love Dehradun can't. Now we're on the way to the water park. And guess what? On the way, I see the Indian Military Academy. It's so beautiful and big. I really wish that one day when I grow up, I'll be an officer from here. Yay! We have reached to the water park. Let me show you around. It's so full of amazing rides and fun games and so much excitement. Right? Oh, bumper car. Maybe I can go to the bumper car. Hello!
Ôi. Cái gì vậy?
Now, my dad is going to the roller coaster. Oh my god, it looks so scary. That's why I'm not going in it. But my dad is brave army soldier. He's going to try on the roller coaster. It looks super dangerous, but also super fun, right? Now we're back in the water park and playing in the water. And my dad is splashing water on me and I'm enjoying it so much. It's so much fun. Now, me and my mom are going to the water slide. It looks so adventurous. We're splashing water on each other and I'm having the best time. Now it's my dad's turn to go with me on the slide. Now my dad is getting even more adventurous. He is going to the speed slide. Okay, Dad, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And here comes my dad. Whoa, that's super fast and exciting. Yay! Oh my gosh. Let's explore more places. I tried to learn swimming by myself, but it's a little hard. But I'm trying my best, and it's also very fun. Yay! Now my dad goes on another big slide, and we're just waiting for him. Mom, when will even Dad come? I think he's going to come after these people. Oh my god, that's cool. And here comes my dad. And guess what? He falls while coming down. It's so funny to watch. Now, I'm going on the slide. I want to go on this one first. It's so fun. I want to go again. It's my mom's turn, but... Haha, cool. This is the best day ever. I'm having so much fun here with my family, and I hope you're enjoying my vlog too. And now the best part, speed wave. Everyone is waiting for it, and when the wave comes, it feels like I'm at the beach, and the best feeling ever. Fun with my mom, and this is the best rafting memory ever. Oh, the waves came again. So fun and cool. Oh, the waves came again. Oh wow, it's fun. Thank you for watching. Friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and for more adventures. Bye.